Pawan Khera, senior leader and spokesperson of the Congress party, is with me live. This comes at a time when Congress MP and former president has taken serial questions to the government, asked questions about whether the Chinese have come in, several questions that remain unanswered, but the government has hit back via a press conference by the Law Minister. Pawanji, welcome. Thank you for being with me. The BJP hasn't offered to be on this show through a spokesperson, so this is going to be a one-on-one with Pawan Khera. But first, I'm going to play out three of the key things that Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad raised, and then I'll give a chance to Pawan Khera to answer each one of those points of attack by the BJP minister. Let's play the first one that Ravi Shankar Prasad said.
राहुल गांधी को इतनी तो समझदारी होनी चाहिए कि चीन के साथ सामरिक संबंधों पर ट्विटर से सवाल नहीं पूछा करते। कम से कम चुनौती भरे मामलों में, विदेश नीति में क्या वो खुलकर इस तरह से सवाल पूछना उनका लाजिमी है क्या? हम देश भर के साथ सद्भाव और शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से रास्ता निकालते हैं और निकालेंगे।
Mr. Khera, would you like to respond to that? The minister says, don't ask us such questions on Twitter.
I wish Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad had the same advice to offer to Mr. Rajnath Singh, not just on Twitter, but on rallies, public platforms, would question the Manmohan Singh government. I have a video clip, I'll send it to you, Shiv, in 2013, कि आप अभी खबर आई है कि दोनों सेनाएं वापस चली गई हैं, हम ये जानना चाहते हैं भारत की सेना वापस क्यों आई? These are his words, not mine. 2013, Rajnath Singh, who happens to be, we are told, the defense minister of this country now. So you can't have two standards, one when you are in power and one when you are in opposition. Strange irony, Shiv, that those who are questioning the government and the apologists of the government are anti-nationals. And those who are trying to protect the government and in the process may lose our territory are nationalists. Now, how can you have this strange, lopsided definition of nationalism? हम तो पूछ रहे हैं कि साहब कितनी टेरिटरी गई? जो कल कह रहे थे कि टेरिटरी गई ही नहीं, चाइना घुसा ही नहीं, आज कह रहे हैं चाइना वापस जा रहा है, कभी ना जा रहे होंगे. So please learn to take the opposition parties into confidence. We remember. You will remember, you are a veteran journalist yourself. When the UP was in power and China tried to do adventures on the border, we used to call Sushma ji and Arun Jaitley ji for meetings as part of taking them into confidence, taking their advice, suggestions, inviting them. At every step, we took them into confidence. We didn't go ballistic like Mr. Ravi. I don't know what his cabinet berth is. Ballistic like that, opposition ka hak nahi hai पूछने का. And this General Arun Singh, Shiva, I must tell you, you should have told your viewers he's now in the BJP.
We did tell them
so
that.
If he says,
we did tell them that. Yeah.
No, I didn't see it. I was watching your show. You should please.
No, we got his super corrected, but that was something that I myself pointed out to our producers. That was done.
I'm glad you did.
Yeah.
General Arun Singh, जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के नेता हैं, आकर कहते हैं राहुल गांधी पब्लिक क्यों पूछ रहे हैं? Ask him to stop General Panar, to stop General Huda, to stop General Nguyen from voicing their opinion, from writing their pieces. How can he stop them?
Okay.
Asking the government, because we are the territory of India. How can we not ask these questions? The country will forget the opposition party if we don't ask these questions.
Okay.
And I'm glad Rajnath Singh used to ask these questions. We were in power, that kept us on our toes. Why is this government scared of being kept on its toes?
Let me play for you.
Of course,
Pawanji, let me play for you the second one now. Let's space this out because you're mentioning some of the things which are an answer to the second attack from Ravi Shankar Prasad. Here's the second thing that he has said, and we'll try and fix that audio with Mr. Khera also.
राहुल गांधी थोड़ा समझें, वरना चीन की कहानी आएगी और कांग्रेस ने चीन के साथ किस तरह से चीजों को संभालने की कोशिश की थी, तो बहुत चीजें निकलेंगी. कम से कम अभी देश में एकता रहे, बहुत जरूरी है.
Pawanji, you want to answer that? It's the who are you to talk about China to us, given the history of the Congress with China? Please answer.
After this show, thanks for telling me this. After this show, I'll send some history books to Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad. Since he has, he might as well read them. So, इस तरह से तो नहीं कि इनकार ही कर दिया कि चीन घुसा ही नहीं है. तो आप कंपेयर मत कीजिए. उस पाकिस्तान के दो रविशंकर प्रसाद जी इतिहास की जानकारी दुरुस्त करिए और आपके पास तो बहुत समय कुछ करने को इतिहास की किताबें हम भेज देते हैं. He should stop.
Okay.
Instead, be constructive and give answers to the people of India. कितने किलोमीटर हमारा इलाका गया, किसकी गलती से गया, हम क्या. शिव, you understand strategic matters more than I do. Please tell me, did you joint statement after the last week's meeting between the Indian and Chinese military officers? Where is the joint? What is the source-based information that some news agency gets and some news channels get? Tom-tomming, अरे जीत गए, डोकलाम में भी जीत गए. What Doklam? We could not save Bhutan from getting encroached upon by China. डोकलाम में हमने तो कह दी विक्ट्री हो गई.
Okay.
लेकिन चाइना ने स्ट्रक्चर्स तो बनाने शुरू कर दिए ना. So you can't. When it comes to national security, when it comes to our territorial integrity, we cannot rely on source-based information. There are set protocols. Where is the joint statement?
And the third point that Ravi Shankar Prasad makes that you can answer, Mr. Khera, is again, sort of symptomatic of the relationship between the government and the opposition. It has become so embittered. It doesn't seem like there's any space for, people being taken into confidence on these very important matters. Here is that third attack, and then Mr. Khera can give us his final answer.
आप वही हैं जिन्होंने बालाकोट के हमले के बाद भी सबूत मांगा था. राहुल गांधी जी, आप वही हैं जिन्होंने उरी पर हमले पर भी सेना की शहीदों की शहादत का सबूत मांगा था, और आज चीन पर भी वही सवाल कर रहे हैं.
Mr. Khera, this has been said before as well that Rahul Gandhi this is a pet project for Rahul Gandhi. The last time he cast doubts on Balakot, on the Uri attacks, on the other attacks that have taken place in Pulwama, and therefore Rahul Gandhi is not owed an answer.
Shiv, I hope my audio is clear.
Yes.
I'm getting not clear. Shiv, if we ask the government, आप बताइए पुलवामा में हमारे जवान कैसे शहीद हुए? Is it anti-national? Doesn't this government owe some answers to the people? How did we lose our jawans? After all, हमारे पाकिस्तान के हैं, हिंदुस्तान के जवान मरेंगे और हम पूछेंगे नहीं कैसे मर गए? क्या बात कर रहे हैं? Now we want to ask Ravi Shankar Prasad, in case he's aware, in case he's permitted to give a response, कितना अपीसमेंट करोगे आप चाइना का? Why you bent upon appeasing China? आपने 2008 में त्यागराज स्टेडियम का दलाई लामा का इवेंट कैंसिल कर दिया चाइना के दबाव में. Why? We asked, why did you cancel the event on that conference last year, 2 years ago? Why was that cancelled? आप झुकते चले जा रहे हैं चाइना के आगे.
Okay.
चले जाते हैं बिना एजेंडा की यात्रा करने. What is this informal summits? This prime minister has a strange, thing about words. Informal summit में जा रहे हैं. आपने सुना है कि बिना एजेंडा के विदेश यात्रा में चले गए. How? Why? So we are paying a heavy price for a diplomacy the prime minister doesn't understand.
Okay.
And he should stay away from things that he doesn't understand. He should ask his cabinet to stay away from things that they don't understand.
Okay.
And leave these matters to experts.
So the political bitterness between the Modi government and the opposition is playing out through Rahul Gandhi's tweets at this point of time. Pawan Khera, thank you very much for joining me and answering those 3 points that were raised by that minister. I know you wanted a one-on-one on this, so I'm going to respect that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.